1000W asterisk 48 volts asterisk 12.8 R 48 volts asterisk 1000W brushless motor. Powerful performance will add fun to your trip. The max speed of the engine is 40 km per hour and the climbing ability can reach 35 degrees in common road condition. The motor has a speed limiting function, 20 km per hour to 40 km per hour optional. 0.48 volts asterisk 12.8 R Li battery can meet your riding needs if you are cycling in a long distance. Battery supports over 900 recharge cycle. Checkmark safety design for riding comfortably. The aluminum alloy frame is made of durable 6061 aluminum alloy, which is light and strong. Hydraulic disc brakes make your riding trip safe. 26x 4.0-inch fat tires can make driving more stable to suit all road conditions such as snow, road, beach and MTB mountain. The strong high-strength steel suspension fork and 21-speed shift system can give you a comfortable and safe ride. Checkmark 3 working modes. Pedal assist mode. The motor assist will assist you with a moderate amount of power as you pedal the bike. In this mode you can stick 60 to 90 km, based on the weight of the load, before charging. Fully electric mode. Twist the throttle in every step from power you desire to power the motor of the bike. In its mode, it has over 30 to 40 km range. Manual mode. Pedal the bike usually like any bike. Checkmark free gift charger asterisk 1, fender, pump, tools, headlights, speakers, luggage racks. Some items are already installed on e-bike. Note it will take about 25 to 30 days to ship this item to you. Reg guarantee regulations. Frame and engine guarantee, 365 days. Battery warranty, 180 days, 95% pre-assembled when you receive the bike. The after-sales center is in Belgium and can give you a quick answer. Questions about the pre-sale or after-sale, contact us at any time. Checkmark note: this MX-01 electric bike is shipped from Europe and can be delivered to EU countries in about 5 to 10 days. But no matter which mode of transportation you use, we are duty-free, you do not have to pay any taxes. Chengmilo official store hereby solemnly promises. Check description and more details. Link in the description. Thanks for watching.